Here at Cresswind, Georgia at Twin Lakes, one of the things that they pride themselves on is being able to personalize your own home. So today we are in the design gallery and I am here with Sarah, who is the design manager. So Sarah, there's so many personalization options, but today we are talking about one of the favorites, which is the kitchen.
The kitchen, which is always everybody's favorite gathering spot now that we're able to entertain in our homes again. We offer so many options for customers to personalize the kitchen and make it really their own. At Cresswind, Georgia at Twin Lakes, we'll help you design the perfect home. Here you can choose your ideal home site and floor plan, all designed specifically for active adults. And then the real fun begins at our on-site design gallery. Our expert design consultants will guide you along the way so your home will beautifully reflect your style. We'll also let you know about the latest design trends that you may want to incorporate into your new home and help you explore the best use for your space.
And Sarah, with the holidays around the corner, I think everybody thinks about their kitchen and what a great place that is to gather. So I'm curious here at Cresswind, what could their dream kitchen look like?
We offer so many options. It truly is the heart of the home. So our kitchens, our floor plans are designed for gathering, wonderful areas for entertaining, and that begins in the kitchen. Together with our design team, we'll create a gourmet kitchen personalized to fit you, from the flooring and lighting to the cabinetry and countertops, fixtures, and more. But the kitchen isn't the only room you can personalize. Here, you can turn your flexible living spaces and daylight basement into a home office, wine cellar, home theater, game room, arts and crafts room, or a guest space for visitors or the grandkids. And outside, there's even more personalization options available. Add a screened porch or an extended deck and cozy up by the fire on those chilly December nights.
Well, there really are so many ways to personalize your home. So if there's someone out there that wants to learn more about those options and the new home availability here at Cresswind, Georgia at Twin Lakes, what is the best way to do that?
We are open daily, so we invite everybody to come out and visit our 15 decorated models or go to cresswindgeorgia.com.
Well, Sarah, thanks so much for being here with me today. And as you can see, there are so many ways to personalize your home here at Cresswind, Georgia at Twin Lakes. So come and visit today so you can start living that Cresswind lifestyle.